from the Heist Agency. At eto na naman ako, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to boost followers, supporters, and yung live streaming nyo. So, most of the question talaga ng mga newbies yan, no? Paano ba magkaroon ng followers? Okay, so, first is, be presentable. Okay? Second is, you have to have a sound card, guys. Microphone and a sound card. So, set a lucky box. Ito, yung red box dyan sa taas na nakikita nyo. Pwede kayong magpa-fireworks. So, immediate yun. Dadami yung viewers. And, of course, may magpa-follow at magpa-follow talaga sa inyo, mga labs. Okay? Next is, greet everyone who joins your live. And then, smile. And be jolly. Para hindi kayo boring at tatambayan kayo ng mga viewers nyo, okay? Think of a catchy topic that your audience can relate. So then create a game. Invite them to your PL. Always ask for thank you dun sa mga taong nakasupport sa inyo, sa mga taong laging nandyan sa live nyo. Hindi lang dahil sa naggagamble sila, may binibigay na gift, but be thankful kasi nandyan sila para magbigay ng moral support. Okay? Join Popo's event. Magkakaroon kayo ng points. Mag-earn kayo. And next is magkakaroon kayo ng followers. At syempre makikilala kayo. Is do a random PK. Make sure develop your confidence and your talent, mga labs. Okay? And also, don't forget to follow Popo Live Official on their YouTube channel. It's at Popo Live Official. Subscribe nyo na, mga labs, okay? Para updated kayo sa mga events, on upcoming events ni Popo, okay? Maraming prizes, maraming mga chances nyong manalo. Don't forget to subscribe my channel then. Thank you so much, guys.